Okay, so as I start to plan out different templates for bullet journaling in OneNote, I've come up with a bunch of inspiration ideas. So I found a bunch of screenshots of different layouts that involve using numbers and sometimes categories to be able to organize information in a visual way. If I had to start a template with OneNote, I would type my number, press the tab key, and now I have the starting of a table. I would press enter key, type my number, tab, enter key, tab, type my number, tab, tab 4, tab 5. This is way too much work for me. I want to find a faster, simpler way to be able to create a table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this note on my page, and I'm actually going to pull up Microsoft Excel 2016. And I'm going to use a tool in Excel called AutoFill. So I'm going to type a number in my first cell. I'm going to select the cell, and I'm going to grab the little green box with my cursor, and I'm going to see the black cross appear, and I'm going to drag. And the first thing you're noticing is that it's showing this little 1 in a box to the right of my marquee. So what this is doing is this is actually auto-filling, but it's copying the cell. I want to fill the series. So a series is a consecutive list of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that I've selected that, you'll notice when I drag down, it's letting me add, and we know there are 31 days maximum in a month. I've now auto-filled all of these in. So if I wanted to use this template, I can select, and I'm going to right click and copy. I see the dancing marquee lights. I go back into OneNote. I see my flashing cursor. I right click and I paste. I'm going to keep the source formatting from the location where I copied that text. And now I have all of my days of my month set up.